Hi, I'm Austin Zimmerman with Sawblade.com. Today I'm going to show you how to correctly and safely open and close your bandsaw blade. All bandsaw blades from Sawblade.com come with a protective capping to ensure the safety of the user and the blade. Before handling your blades, ensure that you're using gloves and safety glasses. Take your bandsaw blade out of the package and put it in both hands. Grab the outer loop and the inner loop in your dominant hand, releasing it with your non-dominant. The blade will fold out like so, and then take the inner edges and fold them out to open the blade. And now I'm going to show you how to safely and correctly fold your bandsaw blade. Again, before handling, ensure that you're using proper gloves and protective eyewear. One of which ways of doing it is to place your foot on the blade on the ground, grasping your palms against the blade and folding it inward. Go to the ground with the blade and fold it up. For more instructional and technical videos, log on to www.sawblade.com. I'm Austin Zimmerman, and thank you for watching.